y'all, so this is the finished look of this unit and how are we liking it. So today I have on a Sensational wig, and this is part of their Bare Lace collection. Now I have on the 13x6 unit 9, and this is in the color chocolate copper, and the color really eats down with the curls. I'm never gonna hold you, when I first got this wig I did not like the color, but then when I put it on I realized how gorgeous it is with my skin complexion, and I just fell in love with it. So with this unit, this is a 13x6 lace wig. Pretty much what they went for this collection is bare lace. The lace is so thin it looks like skin, and honestly it literally does look like my skin. I had no problems melting this lace. It was very seamless. And with this unit, it is a natural density, and it does come pre-plucked, and it does come with baby hairs. Now I've had this wig for a couple months now, so when I got it I did pre-pluck it to my natural hairline. As you guys can see, you'll probably see a little bit of the widow's peak. Now this unit is safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I had my flat iron on 308 degrees, and I had my hot comb on, I believe, of 15. So with this unit, you can wear it glueless as well. It comes with a silicone cap lining on the inside. Overall, this wig obviously gets a 10 out of 10 from me. The style looks really cute. I love how the curls came out on this unit. It is very pretty. Now, if you guys are interested in this unit, I am going to be linking it down below for you in my description box, so look out for that. This completes day 12 of Wigmas. To everyone who has watched the entire series from day 1 to day 12, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Make sure you like and comment, and if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe. I hope you guys have a great holiday, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.